Are the bulls back in town? We have still not swept that liquidity below those lows that I highlighted yesterday during my live stream. And it looks like we're getting some pumpy action here to the upside. And can this bullish momentum continue? Let's go and analyze the price of Bitcoin. And remember, legends, down in the description of this video, you qualify for the biggest cashback bonus on Bluffin and also on Bybit. When you select the link and you sign up with this link in the description below, you will get that 500 USDT airdrop. So go sign up today, because also that World Series of Trading is starting on the 1st of October. We are forming a team and we're going to trade to win some amazing prizes. Let's dive right in. Looking at Bitcoin here on the 1 hour time frame, and I also did an update this morning with the Legends community, and I said I'm looking at this level for potential short here to the downside, and that is exactly where we got rejected. Okay, we've also broken out from this channel here to the downside, and now the question is, can the bullish momentum continue here to the upside? I have to acknowledge that we have smashed through this daily level over here, and for bullish momentum to continue, you really want to see this zone hold as support, where we could be forming a three-wave structure here back to the upside to go and claim the highs once again. Once we've claimed the highs, I'm also looking for these highs for potential SFP, where you could claim the high and then start falling down in another three-wave structure here to the downside. But what you would like to see for the bulls to stay in control is to make a higher low, not claim this low, where we could potentially move up for a final leg to the upside to that $65,000, $66,000 area that I've been highlighting during the last couple of streams. Okay, so for now, it looks like the bulls are in control. Okay, if we are going to fall down from here, you would like to see some high time frame candle closes below this daily level, which could signal that we are going to fall down and come and finally grab the liquidity below these lows. So just sticking here on the 1 hour time frame, for now, we have to acknowledge that the bulls are in control. We have broken trend, we have smashed through a daily level, and what you would like to see is a consolidation for continuation here to the upside. Also, just zooming out into this structure, just looking at the entire structure over here, let's just clean it up a little bit. The one area of confluence that I'm still expecting potential larger rejection here to the downside, it does look like Bitcoin wants to go and claim this high that was created on the 26th of August. This high also has confluence with another daily level at $65,328. So I would not be surprised for the bulls to take control, okay, and build the momentum here to the upside to go and claim this high, where we could potentially then reject at that $65,500 area for a potential epic short here to the downside for a three-wave corrective structure that will potentially correct this entire structure over here. Okay, so very important to observe the price reaction when we hit this high over here. That could be a rejection, a swing failure pattern. You get acceptance back below the daily and the lows over here for potential short here to the downside in a three-wave structure, because all of the waves inside of here has just been a magnitude of three-wave structures to the upside. 1, 2, 3, corrective three-wave structure. 1, 2, 3, corrective three-wave structure. So from a three-wave corrective structure target perspective, I am still eyeing the 1-to-1 extension. When I take a fib extension from the low to this high that we've made to the low, okay, you can also see that the 1-to-1 fib extension is in confluence, okay, with the daily level and the pivot high over here that was created on the 26th of August. So I'm definitely keeping an eye on this level for potential larger three-wave corrective structure to the downside, where price could move up, it fails to break through, and you have that larger three-wave corrective structure potentially coming to test this trend and perhaps even find lower levels. We don't know. It's all just about observing the price reaction as we hit each level. Also, a little bit further up, I'm also looking at the 1.236 area in confluence with a point of control, a high volume node of this entire consolidation that we've been in for the last 6 months. We have massive volume here ahead, and from a corrective structure perspective, or a three-wave corrective structure perspective, the 1-to-1 extension and the 1.236 inside this box is usually, okay, where a three-wave corrective structure will find resistance and correct itself in another three-wave structure. So quite an important zone to watch over here. If we do not swing failure from the highs over here, I'm still keeping an eye on 66, let's call it $67,000 here by the 1.236 extension. Okay, from a bearish perspective, I've already gone through that in a moment, is that what you would like to see from a bearish perspective, if we are going to start rolling down here, is a potential, maybe another move up here, a swing failure from the high, where we could start correcting a little bit further down. Or you can see that we have now already tapped the point of control of March, which is another high volume node from the last 6 months. We've tapped this level to perfection. Also, when I take a Fibonacci here from the high to the low, you can see round about the 0.61850% Fib level, where price is now struggling at the moment. But unfortunately, I do not see any weakness in the price at the moment, but we have to be prepared for all scenarios, is that we have high time frame candle closes below the daily level, like I've highlighted, which could signify a little bit of a larger correction and even come and sweep the liquidity below these lows. And also, I'm just tracking this momentum line here to the upside, okay? Once the momentum line breaks, you know, okay, a potential short opportunity to the downside, perhaps buying in at the retest for continuation to the downside. Thank you so much for watching. If you'd like more detailed trading analysis, go and join our Legends Trading community. First link down in the description. Smash up the like if you enjoy the alpha. Subscribe if you're not already subscribed for future notifications. And until the next one, cheers for now.